Hi everyone, it's Dr. Katie here. I wanted to highlight our client summaries feature. So for any medical record, if you have another owner come or they really are kind of confused about what you've chatted about in your appointment, you can create a client summary that's very, very quick just by scrolling to the bottom of your medical record after you're done editing. So I'll open one up to show you. So basically we would just scroll down to the bottom and expand this and click on simple and it will write it right in front of us. Then you can create a PDF to send home with the client. So once you've edited that or read it through, you can export the client summary, download it as a PDF, and then open it. And then you'll have everything kind of come up right over here and you can send it home, print it off and send it home.